This is Kit Kabinet with a review and reveal of the Hawkin's Bazaar Arado 240 in 1/290th scale. So here we have the Hawkin Bazaar Arado 240, and yeah, it's a very basic kit. This is ideal for starters, and what you usually get with starter kits, you get like a brush, and you get like little pots of paint and stuff like that. With this you can just start, put it together and have your result immediately. Let's take a closer look inside. What may be a challenge to some is you get no instructions whatsoever. It's just the parts pre-printed and everything. What you have to do is to push these parts out of this larger plastic part. I can maybe do that with this main wing here now, like so. And there's your pre-printed and all wing ready to be mounted in the kit. Now when we take a closer look, we see that the panel lining is like printed onto the wings, so you don't have no raised panel lines, no recessed panel lines, but printed panel lines. I've built one before. This looks like a Fockerschmidt 199 or something. And this is your end result that you will get when you put it together. Ideal, it's totally finished. You don't need to spray it with any coating or anything. No glue required whatsoever. This is your kit completed. So this is very nice, very easy. You also have like an extended landing gear, so you can like pose it anywhere you want, in the cabinet, on your table, wherever. You see that this is made in Taiwan. The color scheme is, yeah, kind of off. Also the legend Air Force on the landing gear is maybe a bit weird for a German warplane. So that's awkward why they made this choice. There's a warning here, choking hazard, small parts. Of course, these are small parts, so not suited for children under 3 years old. So I think in conclusion, this is a really nice starter kit. Just push out your parts, put them together, and you have your finished model in no time.